Yeah, can you just give me a quick rundown on the truck? We saw you just went 998, was it?
994.
994.
All the brakes.
Cool.
Truck's just, it's a 2005 Dodge diesel, 4-door. It's got a full built motor, full built transmission.
Right.
Anything and everything that you can do to it is pretty much done, bigger and better. It's running compound turbos right now, twin injection pumps, huge injectors. 1320 Industries here in Phoenix. They ended up doing the cage for me and the bed work. They treated the bed, did all the paneling in it.
Cool.
It's never been on a dyno.
No. What kind of torque do you think it makes, if you had to guess?
I mean, horsepower calculator, I ran it all out a couple weeks ago, and horsepower calculator was right at 1,500 to the ground. So, I mean, that's 2,400 foot-pounds of torque.
That's insane. So what's the best you've been if you're running it all?
940 at 145.
That's moving. Cool. What kind of boost does it make?
It's a newer setup. I ran it. This is the second time I've actually ran it with that setup. So it's over 90 pounds. I don't know the exact number, but
right
90
on.
pounds of boost.
Cool.